deeper into their wallets, especially if they're shopping online. Have you ever been guilty of drunk shopping? Here's the real truth. I have been clean and sober for 8 years, right? Which I'm really happy with. Great thing. It makes me a better wife, a better mother, all the above. But I have to tell you, my last drunk was at a Beverly Hills department store. Drunk shopping beyond drunk shopping, and I bought everybody. I had a $500. Everybody that walked through the store martinis. Apparently, and this is why it gets to a serious thing for me. If you're the kind of person that can go in and have a little wine spritzer, and then do a little shopping, buy a little makeup, for me, it's a dinner competition. You know what I mean? So that's why I know my limits. But it's kind of funny that my last juror shopping. Wait a minute, I'm still stuck on. They sell alcohol at department stores. There's this bar at the top. Department stores that we know. Right. Bars on the top. And apparently, I bought everybody a martini that day. So, but I don't do that. But oh boy, yes, you spent way too much. Oh, it sobered you up. I never returned one thing though. I have to be honest. Never returned anything. But it can get a little cuckoo. I can see why. Because the judgment is off. Right. You know, or for everything. Or a personality like mine. I know, you know, there are women out there and men that go over the limit.
Yeah, I was like, I should actually do this. Because I was thinking I don't drink that much, I don't shop that much. I actually don't have any fun. Like, I need to make...
Booga. You're waiting.
that we just had.
No. Let go. Let him go. You let go.
You need to roll them down like you said.
I know, they're so long. You goofball.
Right. And everything seems like a good idea. I'll be like, I can't sleep, and I'll be like, you mean I can cut my hair and vacuum my back?
Oh, with the pillows. Right. It gets me with the pillows. You will sleep better. That's why I'm awake. I can't sleep. I need those pillows. One for me. And then all of these things arrive, and you're like, what am I doing? It's bed shopping. Right. It's bed shopping. I'm addicted to bed shopping.
Well, I mean, sometimes you think that people like to have a little glass of wine at night, or even, I mean, it's shopping at home. You can have a little glass of wine or two, and you're feeling really good, and there's nothing else to do but just pick up the phone and dial and order what you see on TV. You know,
I'm trying to figure out how cognizant you all are while y'all drinking, because I get it in, you know, but I won't remember what I bought. I'm like, where y'all bought, where did I go?
No, you don't need to be grabbing that. You don't need to grabbing that. You've got all your toys. You don't need this. No. No need.
Hey, you know what?
No. Okay. Come here. Hey, Judah. Hey, Judah. Come on, Mama. Come to Mama. Come here. Come here. Come here, Goof Goof. Judah. 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 Come here, Papa. Good job. Good job, Ben. Good job, Goofball. Stop it. No. You're in trouble. You're in trouble. Mama says you are in trouble. Judah. Judah. Come to Mama. Judah. Come into Mama. Come on. Go, baby, go. Good job. Oh, no. Give me that.
Turn the music higher, low.
With support star Marley Matlin. Progressive Claims.
Judah. What you doing?
I feel so alone.
But Sometimes life can be, well, a little uncomfortable. But when it's hard or hurts to go to the bathroom, there's Dol-Collect Stool Softener. Dol-Collect Stool Softener doesn't make you go, it just makes it easier to go. Dol-Collect Stool Softener. Make yourself comfortable.
If you've been thinking about financial options for your retirement, maybe how to provide some real security for you and your family, you really ought to consider a reverse mortgage with AAG. In uncertain times, it's a safe, effective
What?
It's already being used by
Coming your way.
Americans.
Oh, poor man. Poor little man.
A government-insured reverse mortgage with AAG allows seniors to stay in
Oh, Jay. I come in. I come in. Say bye, baby. Yeah.